Cammie's Old Dutch ice cream shop has been a staple in Mobile, Alabama for almost 50 years. Many memories have been made at Old Dutch, including birthday parties, first dates, family gatherings, and even my mom's first steps. My name is William Knox, and I'm at Camilla's Old Dutch ice cream shop, and this is my Clark Shaw Magnet School project. Cammie Wayne, and she's the owner of Old Dutch ice cream shop. And when you were 16, you worked at this shop, and I want you to tell the story of how it felt working here and how you thought when you were going to buy it.
Okay, well, I did work here when I was 16. It was a lot of fun, but the original owner, Mr. Widemire, was really tough on us, a lot tougher than I am. And I worked here for about a year, and then I left and I went and worked in other fields, and then was in here like 16 years later with my kids and asked Mr. Widemire, aren't you ready to retire? He goes, yeah, I'm looking for a buyer right now. And I said, well, hey, I'll buy it. And he had a list of people that he wanted, that were considering buying it, and he interviewed you. And if you told him the wrong answers, like I'm going to bring hot dogs in or I'm going to do this, he'd say, nope, you're not getting it. So that is how I was chosen to be able to buy this ice cream shop.
So can you tell us some history about the shop?
Okay, it was opened in 1969. If you look at the windows, they look like that of a gas station. So this was a Texaco gas station, and he made it into an ice cream shop. And Mr. Widemire had his ice cream made to his recipe by Dairy Fresh, which is no longer in business, unfortunately. So that is where it all started. And then I came and bought it from him in 1998. And then 9 years later, I started making all of our own ice cream here.
So how do you think this shop has made an impact in Alabama?
If you took 5 people from Mobile, Alabama, and you asked them about Old Dutch, 4 of the 5 are going to have a story to tell you. They're going to tell you about coming here after ballet class, or they're going to tell you that they came here on Sunday afternoons with their grandmother after church. And the wallpaper, you would not believe how many people talk about this wallpaper. Another impact it's had is just generations that come here and spend time together, and it's so many memories for so many people.
Okay, this was my Clark Shaw Magnet School Bicentennial project. Thank you so much.
Thank you.